Hello, everyone. Welcome to Annie Talks English, the podcast where you can practice simple English every day. My name is Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's episode is about morning routines. That means the things we do every morning.
We will talk about daily habits, useful English sentences, and we'll also practice speaking together.
You can listen while you walk, cook, or drink your morning coffee.
Now, let's learn some useful words. Wake up. Brush teeth. Wash face. Eat breakfast. Drink coffee.
Repeat after me slowly. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast.
Good. Now let's practice in sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth in the morning. I drink tea, not coffee.
Anna, do you prefer bread or rice for breakfast?
Bread because it's fast. What about you?
I prefer rice. It's more filling.
Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Try to say it in English.
Morning routines are not only about food. Some people exercise in the morning.
Yes, I sometimes do yoga for 10 minutes. It makes me feel calm.
I like walking outside. A short walk makes me feel fresh.
And some people meditate. Sentences you can use. I do yoga in the morning. I take a walk after breakfast. I meditate for 10 minutes.
Let's do a mini quiz. Listeners, choose your answer. A. I do yoga. B. I take a walk. C. I sleep more.
Whatever you choose, try to say it aloud in English.
Let's practice a small conversation. I'll be the teacher, you be the student. Ready?
Anna, slowly, what time do you wake up? Ben, as listener, I wake up at 7. Very good. Next, what do you eat for breakfast? Ben, I eat bread and eggs. Excellent. Now, let's do a role play together, Ben. Sure. Ben, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I wake up at 6:30. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal with milk. What do you eat?
I eat bread and drink coffee.
That's a simple and useful conversation for daily English practice.
Listeners, try to practice with a friend or even with yourself in front of a mirror.
Now it's your turn. Think about your own morning.
You can use this pattern. I wake up at. I brush my teeth. I eat blank for breakfast. I go to blank at blank.
Here's a speaking challenge. Say 3 full sentences about your morning routine.
Example. I wake up at 7. I eat noodles for breakfast. I go to work at 8.
Another challenge, write your 3 sentences in the comments below this episode.
Yes, we will read your sentences and maybe share them in the next episode.
Today we learned many things about morning routines: waking up, brushing teeth, eating breakfast, drinking coffee or tea, and even yoga or meditation.
We also practiced vocabulary, sentences, and a short role play.
Remember, practicing small sentences every day will help your English grow naturally.
Thank you for listening to Annie Talks English.
Don't forget to practice and come back for more 30-minute episodes.
See you next time and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.